Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly go to a specific page in Microsoft Word using different easy methods. If you are working on a long document and want to move to another page without scrolling, first, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, make sure you are in the Home section at the top of the screen. Then, look to the right side and click on Editing. After that, click on the small arrow next to Find. Next, click on Go To from the menu list. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl G to open the same window quickly. Then, select Page from the list on the left side of the window. Next, enter the page number you want to go to in the document. After entering the page number, click on Go To. Microsoft Word will instantly move you to the selected page in your document. This feature is very useful when you are editing large files, reports, school projects, or long documents. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.